What is a commission? The term commission can be used to refer to a number of different types of payments, and the consequences that stem from disclosure, or rather the lack of disclosure of those payments to relevant parties, largely turn on the parties' relationships with each other. Commission, in a very basic sense, is a payment in return for a service. But where it may differ from a salary, introduction fee, or simple contractual payment for a service is in A, the amount, which is typically linked to the value of the product sold, for instance, a percentage of the product price or a fixed number per number of products sold. But crucially, the role of the seller or the recipient of the commission. Thirdly, what does the finding of a secret condition mean in law? Well, when an agent receives or arranges to receive any money or other tangible value by way of a secret commission in the course of his agency, in addition to that potentially being an actionable breach of fiduciary duty, the payment or receipt of a secret commission is regarded as a special form of fraud. It's a civil law bribe. And because the law takes a very strict approach with regard to such matters, it might be surprising to some that in establishing a civil law bribe, there is no need to establish any dishonesty or corrupt motives. This is irrebuttably presumed. There is no need to establish that the secret commission had any influence on the recipient. And it does not matter whether the payments are made to the agent or a third party close to him. So what's the implication for lenders of this case? Well, it has particular relevance to commercial lending arrangements, which often don't have, by exclusion or circumstances, the recognisable elements of a fiduciary relationship. As such, it opens the opportunity to potentially impugn payments of commission where there is no fiduciary relationship, but simply a relationship which requires the recipient to provide information on an impartial or disinterested basis, and includes the payee as someone with a role in the decision-making process in relation to the transaction in question.